I went to TJ Maxx, whatever the hell it was. This is one of the new. I'm just gonna start a whole new video because the other one, or I'm gonna try to wheeze this into the other one. But I bought these weird little tripod pod things. There's one, they have a light. I can sit here and like be all cool and shit and turn stuff on. I don't know where how. I don't even know how it goes on. There, does it work? See? Whoa, there we go. But I can brighten it. I think. I don't know. Different colors. And go all disco. But it holds the camera in there, so I can put a light over here. Ooh, I'm all like disco. And then I can also put lights. Kind of weird. They're not. In fact, it's funny because these ones are not made. Man, I mean, they've got plastic handles and shit. They don't exactly. The stands are okay, as long as you don't abuse them. It's probably something I'll have to fix in the future, but it's got a good little stand. Tighten it up here, but they go nice and high. Like I can, if you're recording, one of the things I noticed trying to record on the make a video with the drill press is trying to have some lighting and find a place for the camera. So if I do this thing goes pretty freaking high. So yeah, I can put it way high like this and then put another cheesy light on it. See? The cheesy light. There we go. I don't know if you can see what the hell I'm doing. They were real cheap. I mean, they weren't. I know these things. I've been looking at them on Amazon. They're not the greatest. Like I said in the previous section, they're not the greatest devices. They're all kind of made cheap. But they come with a light, so when you're trying to drill something, a drill press, or make a crazy little video, they come with a light. I gotta get let's see this. See if we can try this one out now. Is this on? Come on. There we go. Ta-da! So I can be all. I gotta get another USB block to plug this in. These ones are made okay. The weird one is this one right here. I'll show you. This is the odd one. This one, believe it or not, is made by, I don't know who the hell makes it, to be honest. It has a little a really cheap bottom stand, which I'm sure with a screw and a bolt and some fixing. Like it has this little, it's made for a selfie stick, but believe it or not, this selfie stick thing here has excellent little clips that are easy to lock. They open up pretty damn easy. Comes with the little Bluetooth button. But other than this cheap little stand on the bottom, it goes right like this, pretty high. It comes with a little phone holder here. The other one comes with a cheap microphone. I'm sure it's no $100 microphone, but I bet you it works. I should give it to my kids. But this one also comes with the 8 million mile cord, which I think goes like this. But like I said, I didn't want the whole frickin' caboodle here. All I really wanted was the cell phone holder. But seeing as I'm spending $50 on all this versus $50 on one, I took the whole batch. Because in reality, what I needed was these little things. But these lights come in handy if I'm working on a drill press or a milling machine or something and just want to put a camera next to it. It actually gives me a chance to put the camera higher up. I can put it, I can put the camera on different angles. Like, see this, I can rotate my camera different angles. It doesn't like swoop over, but the other possibility with this one is, which I could show you, since this has a screw end here, since this screws off, I could very well use it as a selfie stick and be all vain and shit, but I could make a little mount and screw it above one of my devices. Like I can make a little metal mount. It's only a screw, and you can take the screw off of here, I can take the screw off of here, There's screws everywhere, but I can use it and mount it somehow. And this is cool because you can adjust the lighting. I can also take this off and put the little phone mount up here. So it's all cool. Hope you liked the video, and that's pretty much it. Went to TJ Maxx and got me a deal on these things. So enjoy. Thank you.